Hi everybody, I've got in front of me here a Spirit A321 in the bright canary yellow colors. This is just positioned from its home base at Orlando International and is flying to New York JF Kennedy. The flight time should be just over 3.5 hours if I'm not mistaken. This aircraft has a two-man flight crew and 5 to 7 cabin crew on board with just over 100 passengers. This aircraft has new generation engines, hence known as the A321neo. The airline Spirit has several of these, as well as A320s and A321s, 320s and 319s in its fleet. This is the latest color scheme for Spirit Airlines, and I hope you enjoy looking at it as much as I'm enjoying showing it. And I also have with me today an Independent Air A319 CEO, which is classic engine order. This aircraft is positioned from San Francisco and is heading to Denver, Colorado, with just over 75 passengers on board. As you can see, this aircraft is fitted with a next generation winglets and Rolls-Royce turbofan engines, with just over 5 cabin crew and a 2-man flight crew as well. This flight should take roughly, I would say, just under 2 hours. Hope you've enjoyed both these aircraft, and I certainly will bring you some more to show in the future. Thank you.